FS Securities, a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia, and there is the market report for Tuesday morning, the 10th of December 2019. Overnight and from around the globe, we start with the Wall Street, where we've seen the Dow down 0.4%, 105 points to 27,909. The broad S&P 500 was down 0.3%, nearly 10 points lower, to 3,136. The Nasdaq Technology Index was down 0.4% to 8,622. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 Index, which comprises most major European markets, was down 0.6%. In London, the FTSE 100 Index was down 0.1%. The DAX in Germany was down 0.5%. In Japan, the Nikkei Index was up 0.3%. And in China, the Shanghai Index was down 0.2%. On our market yesterday, we were up 23 points, or 0.3% higher, to 6,730. And by the way, the futures, if we believe the futures, we can see that the market most likely will open down 14 points, or 0.2%, to 6,715. Iron ore price was up 5.5% to $93.93 US per ton. That's a major jump. And gold was up 0.1% to 1,466. That's US per ounce. And US oil, that's the West Texas crude oil, was down 0.2% to $58.95 US per barrel. 28% of our stocks advanced and 26% declined. Best performing stock was Worley, up 2.5%, followed by AMP, up 2.4%. Worst performing stock was Newcrest Mines, down 2.5%, followed by Woolworths, down 0.2%. And Telstra was up 2 cents to $3.72. The Australian dollar was down 0.2%. I will give you 68.3 US cents, 61.7 euro cents, 51.9 British pence, and 104 New Zealand. Bitcoin was trading this morning at 7,351 US. That is down 181 US dollars overnight. And that converts to approximately 10,766 Australian dollars, down 250 Australian dollars. Announcement today at 10:30, we have the NAB business confidence, and also in China at 11:30 a.m. we've got the CPI year on year. We expect that inflation in China is likely to go higher. Previously was 3.8%, and we expect it now to be 4.5%. However, we'll wait to see what happens at 11:30. Now, in terms of the volume, we always look at the volume and see which stock has actually had a major increase in the volume. Nothing in the top 50 up or down. We don't see any extra volume. However, in the mid-cap, Select Harvest continues to appear on our radar. 886%. We've seen Select Harvest several times in the last couple of weeks. It may require some investigation and to see whether we can actually trade it on the CFD platform because of the leverage feature. Karoon Energy also had good volume yesterday with an increase in price. On the downside, Bigger Cheese. We see Bigger Cheese several times this week, 147%, and the price is down to $3.57. And that is all from us here at FS Securities. Please trade safely and wisely, and have a fantastic trading day.